Good morning. Today we will be learning how to make chocolate chip muffins. You will need the following things to make chocolate chip muffins: a muffin tin, muffin liners, a mixing bowl, a cereal bowl, toothpicks, measuring cups and measuring spoons, oven mitts, and a wire cooling rack. You will need the following ingredients to make chocolate chip muffins: chocolate chips, baking powder, flour, eggs, salt, milk, butter, and sugar. Here are the directions for making chocolate chip muffins. In other words, this is what you will be doing this morning. If you have long hair, you will need to put it in a ponytail so no hairs get into your muffins. Step 2. You will need to wash your hands with soap and water to get rid of the germs. Don't forget to dry them when you are done. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Preheating means to warm up your oven to the right temperature before you put your muffins in. Step 4. Place your muffin liners in the muffin tin before you begin. You will begin by adding 1½ cups of flour to the mixing bowl. Continue by adding 1½ teaspoons of baking powder to the mixing bowl. Step 7. Add ½ cup of white sugar to the mixing bowl. Step 8. Add ½ teaspoon of salt to the mixing bowl. Step 9. You will need to place 1/3 cup of butter into a microwavable bowl, place it in the microwave, and microwave for 1 minute. To find 1/3 cup of butter, you will need to split your butter in half. Once you have done this, you need to divide that half into thirds. Step 10. You will now pour the melted butter into the mixing bowl. Be careful, the bowl will be hot. Add 1 cup of milk to the mixing bowl. Step 12. Add 1 egg to the mixing bowl. Step 13. You will now add the last ingredient to the mixing bowl: 1 cup of chocolate chips. Step 14. You will now need to stir all the ingredients together.
Stirring means to mix all the ingredients together until they form one consistent batter.
Step 15. You now need to fill the muffin liners about 2/3 full. Now you are ready to place your muffins in your preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. For our ovens, we will choose 17 minutes on the timer. When the timer goes off, take your muffins out of the oven. Don't forget to use oven mitts. You will then need to test your muffins. To do this, insert a toothpick into the muffin. If the toothpick comes out clean, like in number 3, then your muffins are done. If the toothpick comes out like number 1 or number 2, then you will need to put your muffins back in the oven for about 5 minutes. Step 18. You will now need to let your muffins cool. To do this, remove them from the muffin tin and place them on a wire cooling rack. Once your muffins are cooled, it is time to enjoy them.